When your new cloud gets plugged in, it will turn on a very dim white. This means that it's trying to connect to the internet. Once connected to your Wi-Fi network, your cloud will pull data from open weather maps and display using light and sound on your new cloud. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day and the birds are chirping. The cloud will tell you when it's sunny outside, when it's overcast or windy, also when it's raining, when there's a thunderstorm, and even when it's snowing. If you don't like the current weather, you can always change it by just pressing the button at the bottom of your cloud. That will let you cycle through all of the different preset weather patterns. This one is my favorite. If you get tired of the weather, just press the button at the bottom of your cloud for about 4 seconds, and it will turn itself off. Now when you want to check on the weather outside, just press the button again, and it'll pull down the latest information. Now you get to go enjoy your fluffy new cloud friend.